One of the things that has always gotten me really excited about marketing is the creativity that you can attach to it. I love launching and developing marketing campaigns, and I have a couple tips for you guys out there. A lot of you marketers have your own processes and ways of doing this, but for entrepreneurs who are working with a small team and they want to just dive in, here's my process. Whether I'm working independently by myself, as a contractor with an external team, or with an in-house team that needs to be aware of everything that's going on as a stakeholder. And the first thing I do is I write up a project brief or a campaign brief. Usually this is thematic. By thematic, I mean I define color, messaging, topics, and the assets that will come through it all together, so that way they can work cohesively together when you launch, and that way your customer base on the outside can see there's something distinct and different from your normal day-to-day marketing that's trying to amplify something new into the marketplace. You can do this in a Google Sheet, or my favorite, you can do it in Notion, where you can then assign tasks and then also outline tasks later on for the tactics that you'll be executing on. And a lot of times you can create a good template of this internally, because the different launches you do could be very similar within your company if you're not doing kind of consulting or working with multiple clients. If it's in-house and you're just trying to do the same type of execution of a campaign thematically, you can duplicate right in Notion and create a new task very easily and share it with the same stakeholders, so everybody's in the loop across the company, whether they're on your team or on another team. Nobody's missing a beat on what's happening. With Notion too, you also get to assign different dates for completion. You can assign different statuses, and you can also connect this to Slack, so you can get real-time automation notifications into Slack on the project and where it's headed. So to summarize, a great way for you to launch a campaign, no matter what business you're in, is start to write down an executive summary and then narrow it down based on the tasks and the tactics at hand to create assets and then execute that strategy, whether it's email marketing, website development through landing pages, or it's cold outreach. You can do it. I believe in you guys. Good luck as you create your first campaign in the coming weeks. Cheers.